Hi guys, I got my sweet tea, so you already know what's up. Oh, but just to let you guys know, it's not that sweet. I don't know what he meant or what he thought I meant when I said sweet tea, but I'll let it slide because he was by himself. So as you can see by the title, I am going to be reviewing some lipsticks that I found on Amazon. Honestly guys, I saw some reviews and I was just like, oh my god, I have got to try these out. I'm not really sure how to say them, but they are called Quibest, or I don't know guys. I will put it down in the description because I really don't know. I just know that they have some really good reviews and it's supposed to be like a matte, let's see what it says, non-stick cup lip gloss. That's crazy because like it's literally not lip gloss. It says velvety silky mist texture. But I don't know, like the way I see about it, it gets on matte. As you can tell, I've already tried at least one of them. I went to go pick it up in the mail, and yeah, if you know me, I cannot like resist, so I gotta like go and try it. So that's what ended up happening because I went ahead and freaking tried one. I opened it up. And literally guys, I just picked like the first one I could find. I kind of like did this, like, you know, and had them like roll out a little bit and kind of just like looked at the colors. So okay, so it's a gloss because it comes with one gloss one. I haven't tried the gloss. I probably won't be trying the gloss for this video. I might, I don't know. I just simply don't really care for gloss like that. Only when I'm literally just going without like lips or whatever. I got my makeup removers. I got freaking Neutrogena because that's honestly, in my opinion, the best one that I can find. It also smells so good. It smells like baby wipes. And I'm like, I don't know, I just freaking love that smell. Let's get into this video, guys. Okay, so let's see here. We're gonna just take the clear out. Like I said, I mean, it's literally just clear, guys. I can show you what it looks like. It's up to you. No, you know what? It's up to me. I'm gonna show you. Okay, let's try this out. Sorry, the mirror is like right next to you guys. Honestly, it feels amazing. I'm not even gonna lie, it feels amazing on my lips. It feels really amazing. Like, it really feels like that it's actually like, it's really moisturizing it or whatever. I'm so sorry about my hair, by the way, guys. This is literally, I just threw this hairstyle up to go freaking grab my package and also like do some errands a little bit for the apartment. So like, don't mind my hair, like, it's, you know, it is what it is. I just woke up like this. I woke up lady. I woke up lady. Hey, I woke up lady. I'ma get copyrighted. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so that was the gloss. Gloss looks flawless. This will be my go-to. I will probably take this with me to work and take this with me anywhere. I really love how it feels. Like you cannot beat this. Like, seriously. I honestly forgot how much I paid. I will put the pricing up right here somewhere to let you know like how much it is, because literally guys, yeah, I just don't remember it being that much, and I'm honestly happy that I'm actually feeling something with my lips. It could be like a lip plumper. Dude, I didn't even like read the freaking like directions. I was just so in love with the colors. All right, so let's get this off. Let me see a show of hands of the people who like literally reuse the same towel sometimes, like same wipes or whatever from the makeup wipes. Because, you know, like, I'm just saying they last longer if you don't just throw it away. Like, obviously, if I just did, like guys, most of the time, I just do my eye makeup. So, when I do my makeup, I literally just go, right here, and then that's it, guys. So, I'm just like, why throw away the whole wipe? I'm just saying. Anyway. So, anyways, let's go to another color. We're gonna pick something like nude-ish. So this pack has a total of 7 colors. Then you have your gloss, but they have 7 different colors. I'm thinking like these are all the nudes, and here are like all my like darks. Here, let me see if you guys can see that better. Like, kinda. Yeah, it's like my lighting's like really weird right now. But these are the darker colors, I would say. Other than this, no, this pink is really pigmented. So I would say the pink's like also really dark. We're just gonna start with one of the nudes. I'm gonna start with, so here they all are. I'm gonna start with this one first. And then I'm gonna work my way down. That's what I'm gonna do. So. Oh my God. It looks like my lips. It literally looks like my lips. Oh crap. Look, it doesn't have to be perfect, alright? This is just for your benefit. Ooh. Honey. This color is so bright. I will probably be giving this to a lighter skin friend. But I'm not gonna knock this color at all, guys. This color is beautiful. May not look like, obviously, like stunning on me, but it really is pretty. My main thing is I want to see how it dries, so let's look at this real quick. Honestly, not bad. Especially if I were to like even out my skin with my foundation, I don't think this color would be that bad on me. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I feel like, yes, it's bright, but it's like with the right eye look and the right like just foundation like together, this would be a really pretty color. It's really not that bad. So if like you're a little bit close to my skin tone, girl, I wouldn't say it's bad. Honestly, rock your nude. Okay, let's go to the next one. One thing I want to point out is that these are really easy to get off. Like, I do have to put a little bit of pressure like on the towel, obviously, but it's really not that hard to, I hate when my chin is so shiny, guys. Like, ugh, I hate it when it's shiny. But no, I really didn't have to do that much. I think it stained a little bit maybe, or that's just my lips. Like, when I put it on, it literally looked like my lip color. I can't really tell. It looks a little stained though, just from what I can see like in person. But it's really not that bad, like, to be honest. Okay, so I'm gonna go on to this next one. It's kind of like an orangey like nude. I got these, I'm good with this one. So let's get started. Ooh, I already love this color. Dude, it's like a very calming, like, tingling feeling, and I freaking love it. Like, it feels like it's a lip plumper. It probably is. Like, because knowing me, I did not read the freaking directions, but this color is beautiful. I personally freaking love it, and I just dropped it. Alright. Got that back up. Okay. Yeah, I really love this color. Yeah, you guys, I know the lighting's kind of bad, like, but just bear with me. You can kind of see it though. This is a really pretty color in my opinion. I freaking love it. It's beautiful. Like I said, like, these, I don't think I would wear these without like my makeup. I probably would on days like I don't care, especially like the darker ones. But I don't know, just like I feel like the foundation would just really make it pop. But these colors are already like really pretty alone. I like it. I like it. Beautiful. Okay, let's go to the next one. Oh, and also I just want to add, this one dried a lot faster than that last one. I know that doesn't really matter, but I just love how fast they dry, and I love how it does not like dry my lips out. Like I said, I wore one of them earlier and like it did not dry my lips out at all, so I'm like happy about that. It's cute. I feel like my lips are gonna be so raw after this. So what do we have? We have 5 more colors to try. I'm gonna just try to go through them. I'm gonna go with this pink right here, and then I'm gonna go with this last one right here. So I'm gonna show you those guys right now. Okay, now it's time to do my little darker ones. That's only, holy crap, where are they? So I got, yeah, these 3 right here. And I'm gonna go with, since I've already done the red one. Actually, I did this orangey one because you can tell I got like a little smear right there. So I definitely tried that one on. I'm gonna try the other 2 on first and then the last one. Because I know for sure that this last one is gonna be like, I don't know, it's like my favorite, honestly. So let's do this one. This is like a very subtle kind of like pink tone. Really dark. And I'm gonna just let that sit for a second and let it dry. I really like this color a lot. This color actually really stands out. I like it. This is a really pretty color. This is cute. All right, on to the next 2. I really feel like it is a plumper because my lips look so big right now. Like, you know your lips, and literally I'm looking at my lips in the mirror and I'm like, okay girl. Okay. All right, only 2 more to go. I'm gonna do the one that I did not put on today, which is a little bit more red than that pink one. So let's get into that one. Oh wow. Kind of put it on a little messy, not gonna lie. All right, let me give it a second to dry a little bit. Okay, you guys, it's still drying, but to be honest, I freaking love it. This is a very pretty color. This is not the color that I tried on, but this is a really pretty red. Like, this red gives me like Ruby Woo vibes from MAC. And honestly, the fact that it goes on the way it does and it doesn't seem to like smear or anything like that, I gotta tell you, I'm in love. Like, this makes me want to dress up and contour and look all cute and then add this finishing like lipstick on, and it's like really pretty. This is probably, I want to say it's my second favorite because this red right here that I'm about to put on is like spot on like the red I like. And yeah, but this would be like, oh, date night. Definitely. Oh, I gotta make sure I don't get on my teeth too. But yeah, This is beautiful. I freaking love this color. I only wish I could give you guys like the color. Like all I can do is give you the pack, you know, and the information on that. But yeah, they have all of these colors in there and it's like perfect. All right, let's go on to the next one. Dear God, it's like my lips could not take it no more. like I can actually feel my lips like kind of throbbing right now. Like they are done. Just one more lips, one more, you got it. It does, they feel like really raw. But okay, so let's try this color out that I tried on earlier. Oopsie. Look, we've all done it. We've all done it. So the reason this color stood out so much to me is because it's literally like everyday lipstick to me, in my opinion. Like it's literally every day. Like it's not too much of a red, but it's definitely like, hey, like trying to glam a little bit. Or you could be dressed down and you just felt like putting on your like lipstick. I feel like this is perfect because it's like not too bright. It's not that classic red. It's just that subtle, like almost like a plum natural like red, and I freaking love it. It's like my favorite. I do like that red before though. I didn't try that one on until now, and I am completely satisfied with that one. That one I could go and do an everyday look with that too. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I had fun, my lips had fun. They are super raw, but it was totally worth it because I had to show you guys the quality and the colors of these. Yes, like I said, I'll leave the information to these below at the description or whatever. Once again, I do not know how to pronounce it. Key best, I don't know. I couldn't tell you. But thanks so much for watching, and tune in for another video next time. Bye!